everyone, welcome back to the Married Life. Today I'm making one of my absolute favorite weeknight meals, a fresh, flavorful veggie bowl with air-fried tofu. It's quick, plant-based, and family-friendly. Even my toddler loves it. Let's get started. For this bowl, you'll need rice, tofu, red cabbage, cucumber, red pepper, edamame, and some Thai sweet chili sauce. Super simple, right? And like all of my recipes, use what you have in your house. So if you have yellow pepper or red or something else or green onions, swap things out and make it simple. I'm also using some of my favorite kitchen tools, my mandolin slicer, a sturdy bench scraper, a big cutting board, and of course my trusty air fryer. I'll link the ones in the description if you're looking to upgrade some of your kitchen tools. So first up, let's talk cabbage. First, I use my mandolin to get it perfect thin slices. If you've never used one, it's a game changer. Just make sure to watch your fingers. I like to season this cabbage so it's crisp and lightly pickled. In a bowl, I added 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of water. I mixed that up, covered it, and I microwaved on 50% power for 5 minutes. Now I tossed it with tongs halfway so it cooks evenly. This is such a quick hack for flavorful cabbage without waiting for that overnight for a full pickle effect. Now, while the cabbage does its thing, I checked on my tofu. To prepare this tofu, I took a block of firm tofu, I drained it, and I cut it into strips. I then seasoned it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And then I put it in the air fryer for 18 minutes at 360. So lower heat, and then I flipped it halfway. It worked perfectly to flip it with a fork. It comes out golden, crispy on the outside, and soft on the inside, which is perfect for this topping. I then had the halfway point of my cabbage and gave that a little stir. While the rice was cooking, I did all of the veggie prep, which makes this meal really efficient. While the rice and tofu cook, I head back to that mandolin slicer to slice up some fresh cucumbers from my garden. And then a red pepper. I used my mandolin slicer for that also. Having everything prepared and ready just makes the assembly of the bowls just so incredibly quick. Now for my favorite part, assembly. I start with a scoop of rice and then I add my flavorful cabbage, the bright green edamame, fresh cucumber, and red pepper. Now, you can put as much or as little of each ingredient as you want. So if you love cucumbers, pile on those cucumbers. If you love edamame, do that. This is something that you can customize towards your liking. And save yourself some time. Get the steamer bag of edamame, just put it in the microwave and you are golden. It is so much easier than shelling all of those different edamame. I then laid the tofu strips right on top and I drizzled everything with this amazing Thai sweet chili sauce. I got it at Costco a few weeks ago and it just took this to an entirely new level. Just look at all of those colors. It's beautiful, balanced, and this was just so satisfying. And of course, I did make a deconstructed version for my toddlers. And as you can see, my 2-year-old is totally into the tofu. Kid-approved meals are always a win for us. The best part? I've got plenty of leftovers to remix more bowls throughout the week. If you try this, let me know in the comments what veggies you'd add. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Married Life for more family-friendly, plant-based recipes, and check out our links below for our favorite kitchen tools. See you next time!